start with. And then once they agree to that, there has to be, accountability, atonement, obviously, all those things, a genuine apology, an understanding for the damage that you've caused, and then a promise to never do it again, right? A promise to never make that same mistake again. If possible, we're human, it happens, but to not intentionally do that. Now, what you're talking about here is like, if my making amends trumps somehow, right, your feelings, then that's not going to work, right? Because the priority in healing is to care for the other person. You're caring for them. You're caring for their heart. You're caring for their feelings, and you're helping them heal. And if what you're doing, which seems really important to you, and I'm sure it is, to make those amends, the way that you're doing it is reopening that wound and kind of re-examining it, and that's hurtful to the other person, then you're not really making amends. What you're doing is a selfish act of trying to heal yourself.
Thank you for watching this Recovered Life segment. At Recovered Life, we are all about helping you live your best recovered life. So please like this video and share it with someone you know who could really use it. Also, feel free to join our free weekly newsletter at recoveredlife.us and get great information like this sent to your inbox every week.